Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to unbox the Erin Condren Summer Seasonal Surprise Box. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos, and if you're not, welcome back. I have to admit, I watched some spoilers online. I always feel like I'm the last person to get this box in the country, so I know what's in it, but I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it, show you what's in here, and let you know what I think. It's a pretty big box. I know it's like really close quarters here. It's kind of hard to see, but it has the usual reversible box. Sometimes these look like the UPS guy like backed over them a few times, but this one actually came in pretty good shape. I could reuse it if I wanted it. Here's the card. Box theme is Hello Sunshine. Something different this time is on this card they included the values of everything in it, which is new. My tissue paper, like usually it's stickered shut. This is how mine came, which big deal, but this is a new product, and it is a sneak peek, which means that these will be available for sale on the website at some point. Cute, but this is not something I'm going to use. I have a tumbler that's leak-proof that I use for my water. The value of this is $10. Quality-wise, this is like the $3 ones you can get from Starbucks, I would say. So, I mean, it's cute. This would make a really cute gift, but yeah, that's kind of a miss for me. Over here, let's dig into this stuff. Okay, first of all, the colorful dual tip markers. And these are obviously very neon. These are a sneak peek, so apparently these will also be available. The retail value on these is $8. I love these dual tip markers. I'm super excited to get some new colors, so yay for that one. This is like a glasses or sunglasses case. It's very large. It says Hello Sunshine. It's like a really soft, not like velvety, but very soft fabric. The inside is bright pink, and then there's an Erin Condren microfiber cleaner. The sunglasses case is an exclusive. They say this is a $15 value. This is cute. On no planet would I spend $15 for it. I don't really wear sunglasses. I do technically have glasses. They're probably like thrown under my bed right now. So this isn't really, again, for me, but it is cute. That would also make a cute gift. Then we have these elastic hair ties. I don't use these. I don't like these. They don't stay in my hair. I mean, these are cute. This is a total miss for me. They say this is a $7 value, which is no. Like, these are like 99 cents a piece. But, yeah, that's just a no for me. I don't even think my daughter will use these. Like, they just don't stay in our hair. Yeah, so there's that. Then we have a sticker sheet here. This is cute. I love the holographic. I don't know how well you can see that on the camera. This is, I believe, an exclusive. I don't know if I said the hair ties are exclusive too, which is probably a good idea because I don't think anybody's going to buy those. The sticker sheet is an exclusive. They say, oh, there are two. Okay, that's like a $6 value, but there are actually two in here. And I love this. I love that it's something actually planner related. That's the complaint I've heard a lot about this last box and this box, and I would tend to agree. I would like to see more planner related stuff. So I like that. Then we have this pineapple notepad. It's not sticky notes or anything. It's just a notepad. A $6 value. This is an exclusive. This is a miss for me. This is not something I would use. It's gonna get shoved in a drawer, probably. Then we have the Jot Your Thoughts. This is, let me see here. This is also an exclusive. They say this is a $9 value. This journal. It's cute. This isn't really a hit or a miss for me. I do like notebooks. I mean, I need another notebook like I need another hole in my head, but I do like notebooks. I like the pineapple lined, and this would be a nice size to like throw in my purse. So I will probably use this. So yeah, let me get this box out of the way. And I'll just show you again everything that was in there. I have to say, like, having these items in hand, I'm probably a little more excited about it than I was watching the sneak peeks and the, you know, when people were unboxing. I was pretty disappointed. Now that I see it in person, I'm more excited about the stickers and even the notebook than I thought I would be. So these 3 items, very excited about these. If you're someone I give gifts to, you may end up owning one. I have to say, like, I was pretty, I don't want to say disappointed, because this is a surprise box. I mean, you can't dictate, you know, what's in there. I don't know that I'm going to order the next surprise box. I can appreciate that Erin Condren is going more to like a lifestyle type of brand than just planners. But just for me personally, I like the planners, you know. So there you have it. That's what was in there. I'm going to go ahead and leave my Erin Condren referral link below. If you've never ordered, you get $10 off of your first order. And I will leave links to my social media and all that good stuff below. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.